Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Farhan. Today's topic is agriculture bioengineering. Learning objective of this topic is what is agriculture bioengineering, aim of agriculture bioengineering, benefits of agriculture bioengineering and also for farmers, how to become one, salary, job of talents and career related with agriculture engineering, and top 10 countries with highest agricultural job opportunity. First of all, what is agriculture bioengineering? It is discipline of engineering that applies engineering principles and the fundamental concept of biology to agriculture and biological system and tools, ranging in the scale from molecule to ecosystem level for safe, efficient, and environmentally sensitive production. Aim of agriculture bioengineering. The important goal of agriculture is trying to grow as much as food as possible at cheapest rate while trying to avoid harmful pests such as weeds and insects. Biotechnology help to achieve these goals by making genetically modified food. According to USA Department of Agriculture, in 2006, 80% of corn, 86% of cotton, and 92% of the soybean that were grown in the United States were transgenic. Now, what do I mean by transgenic? Transgenic means that these crops contain gene from other species as well as its own. Benefits of agriculture engineering. Bioengineering are used technology to come up with the safest and most effective way to maximize the product of crops. Certain gene can be used to make crops which is resistance to herbicides and pesticides. Other gene allow the crops to have an increased amount of content in the crops, and this makes the crops more filling and nutritious. Adding or taking out certain chemical or the DNA in the plants can help to produce a large yield entirely. It is possible. It is also become possible for the genetically modified plants to be used to create new medicine. This could be potentially helpful in treating disease without cure. Benefits for farmers. Using bioengineering can produce large yield crops. Farmer will not have to spend as much as money on equipments and machine. Since the yield is larger without spending more money, farmer increase their profit. Benefits: feeding the world. For some third world, it is crucial to use agriculture bioengineering just to feed all the peoples. Some countries have limited space for farming, others have been hurt by a nature disaster or simple not have adequate soil for farming. The use of bioengineering, although it has its own problem, but maybe the best chance these countries have at healthy and nutritious food. A video on bioengineering in agriculture.
Ever wondered why corn have less worms? Or how a cotton tree produces more fluffy cotton? Let's go back some years ago. Before, when we buy corn, there's an 80% chance that your corn has a worm inside. How did it happen that today's corn don't have worms? It's somehow evolution. But specifically, it's biotechnology. Let's talk about biotechnology. Biotechnology is a science that is based on biology. Every life form is made of DNA, which are the building blocks of every life form. By modifying these building blocks through biotechnology, we can make a corn healthier, at the same time resistant from bugs and pests. By manipulating these building blocks in another way, we can copy traits of an imported rice that has high threshold in water, then combine it with the local rice so that it can survive in the country. Biotechnology has a lot of advantages in many areas. For instance, in the medical field, we can select the vitamins and minerals we want a certain host plant to acquire. Imagine a life where most of the food you eat are filled with vitamins and minerals. These food can be given to less fortunate people where it can combat malnutrition. Awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Through biotechnology, there can be healthier food to fight malnutrition in the country. There can be high yielding crops. High yielding crops make more income for farmers and helps the agriculture economy flourish. Biotechnology is everywhere. It helps us improve our lives and leads us to a healthier world.
आई होप अभी तक आपको समझ लग चुकी होगी कि बायो इंजीनियरिंग में क्या करते हैं. सो लेट्स वी गोइंग टूवर्ड्स देयर. हाउ टू बिकम वन एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग. Agriculture engineers must have a bachelor degree, preferably in agriculture engineering or biological engineering. Education for agriculture engineers. University students take courses in advanced calculus, physics, biology, and chemistry. They also may take courses in business, public policy, and economics. Entry-level jobs in agriculture and engineering requires a bachelor degree. Bachelor degree programs in agriculture engineering or biological engineering typically include significant hand-on component in areas such as science, maths, and engineering principles. Important qualities for agriculture engineers. Number one, analytical skills. Agriculture engineer must understand the need of a complex system that involves workers, crops, animals, machinery equipments, and the environments. Number two, communication skills. Agriculture engineer must understand the need of client, worker, and another working on a project. Number three, math skill. Agriculture engineer use calculus, trigonometry, and other advanced discipline for analysis, design, and troubleshooting. Number four, problem solving skills. Agriculture engineer mm, role is to solve problems found in agriculture production. Goal may include design safer equipments for food processing or reducing erosions. License, certification, and registration for agriculture engineer. Licensure is not required for entry-level position as an agriculture engineer. State licensure generally requires a degree from an ABET accredited engineering program. Number two, a passing course on fundamental of engineering exam. Relevant work experience, typically at least 4 years. A passing course on a professional engineering exam. The initial FA exam can be taken after one earns a bachelor degree. Engineers who pass this exam are commonly called engineer in training or engineer interns. After meeting work experience requirements, EITS and EIS can take the second exam called the Principal and the Practice of Engineers (PE). Agriculture engineer salaries. The median annual wage for agriculture engineer is $80,720. The median wage is the wage at which half the worker is an occupation earn more than that amount and half earn less. The lowest 10% earned less than $47,330 and highest 10% earned more than $1,60,950. The median annual wage for agriculture engineer in the top industries in which they work are as follow. Federal government excluding post service $88,050. Engineer service $85,040. Management scientific and the technical consulting service is $77,190. College, university, and professional school study $59,550. Agriculture engineers typically works full time. Schedule may be vary because of weather condition. When working on outside projecting, agriculture engineer may work hours to take advantage of good weather or few hours in the case of bad weather. Job outlook for agriculture engineers. Employment of agriculture engineer is projected to grow 2% over the next 10 years, slower than the average for all occupation. The need to increase the efficiency of agriculture production system and to reduce environmental damage should maintain demand for these workers. Farming establishment will continue to require small machinery, equipments, and building to increase the efficiency of agriculture production system and to reduce environment damage. We should maintain demand for these workers. More efficient design for traditional agriculture engineer projects such as aggregation, spraying, and harvesting, storage, and worker safety system will also maintain demand for these workers. Growing population and stronger global competition will result in the industry needed more efficient means of production, which will increase demand for agriculture engineers. Job prospects for agriculture engineers. Typically, graduates of agriculture Typically, graduates of engineering programs have good job prospect and can often enter related engineering field in addition to the field in which they have earned their degree. Engineer Agriculture engineering offer good opportunity, but it is a small occupation, and engineers trained in this field, such as civils or mechanical engineering, also may compete for this job. Graduates of biological and agriculture engineer programs may have some advantage when applying for agriculture engineer jobs, but some may also find good prospects outside of the agriculture sector. Career related to agriculture engineers. Number one, agriculture and the food science technician. Number two, agriculture and food scientist. Number three, agriculture and engineering managers. Number four, conservation scientists and foresters. Number five, farmer, rancher, and other agriculture manager. And hydrologist, industrial engineers also related to agriculture engineering. Top 10 country with highest agriculture job opportunities. Number 10, Brazil. Number 9, Belgium. Number 8, Italy. Number 7, United Kingdom, UK. Number 6, Germany. Number 5, France. Number 4, Australia. 3, Canada. 2, Netherlands. 1, USA. इन सब में राइस, व्हीट, कॉर्न, सोयाबीन की काश्त की जाती है. Thank you.